So we'll do first problem. What is the first problem? The random process x of t is given as capital X of t is given as a t. A t. Then a is uniformly distributed random variable. A is uniformly distributed random variable in the range. The range is given as 0, comma 2. Okay. Find whether x of t is white and stationary or not. Find x of t is white and stationary or not. This is the problem. Okay. So, what are the solution? Okay, so what is that you have to check? Check whether x of t is white and stationary random process or not. Okay, for any random process to be white and stationary random process, what are the conditions it has to satisfy? The first condition is the mean value. Okay, mean, that is x bar. So x bar should be equal to constant. Mean value should be equal to constant. This is the first condition it has to satisfy. The second condition is that the autocorrelation function Rxx of tau, okay, it is equal to expected value of x of t plus tau, okay. So this value should be equal to function of tau. It is function of tau and independent of t. So you should not have t term here. In this function, we should not have any t term. Okay, it is independent of t. If these two conditions are satisfied, then the particular random process is called white and stationary random process. Okay. So to check these conditions, first what is given? So the random process is given as x of t is equal to a t. Okay. What is a here? A is a random variable and it is uniformly distributed in the range 0, comma 2. Okay, so the A range is from 0, comma 2. It is uniform. So uniform means what? The height will be constant. Okay, so we know that for any probability density function, okay, the integral of probability density function in the given area should be equal to 1. Okay, so from this, what is the area given? 0, comma 2. Fa of a. What is the random variable here? A, no? That is why we have to take it as Fa of a. We have to integrate with respect to a only, the random variable only. So what is the random variable in this case is a. That is why we have used a only. So equate it to 1. So from this, if you find out what is Fa of a, so Fa of a will be equal to 1 by 2. Fa of a will be equal to what? 1 by 2. So, what is the height of this? If it is uniformly distributed, the range is given as 0, comma 2, no? The height will be 1 by the width. What is the width here? 2, no? 2 width is 2. The height will be 1 by 2. Okay. So, this is nothing but your probability density function of the random variable A is varying with respect to A. Okay. So, what is Fa of A? Fa of A is equal to 1 by 2 in the range 0, comma 2. Okay. So, like that, we have to find out the probability density function. Since it is uniformly distributed, what is the width? Width will be 2. So, the height of this is equal to 1 by width. Okay. So, it is 1 by 2. Only in this range. Other than this range, what is its value will be 0. Otherwise, the value will be equal to what? 0. Okay. So now what is that we have to find out? We have to find out what is the expected value of x of t, the random variable. Okay. So expected value of x of t formula item. It is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x fa of a dA. Because what is the random variable? A, no? So that is why we have to use same thing. So substitute integral minus infinity to plus infinity. What is x here? X is 80. It is 80. What is fa of a? It is 1 by 2 dA. Okay. Now what are the limits? Because here, see here, FA of A, what is the range mark? FA of A is 0 to 2, no? So range you have to take it as 0 to 2. Okay. So it is equal to 1 by 2. T is constant now. T is A square by 2. Substitute the limit 0 to 2. A square by 2. Substitute the limit 0 to 2. So it is 1 by 4. T 2 square 4. Okay, so what is the value we got? T. The value we got it as T. Okay, so what is the expected value of x of t? We got it as expected value of x of t. We got it as t. Okay. Now what is that? Next we have to find out autocorrelation function. Okay. So what is the formula to find out autocorrelation function? So the autocorrelation function is given as Rxx of tau is expected value of x of t plus tau. This is the formula for autocorrelation function. So it is expected value of what is x of t? It is at. Okay, x of t plus tau, at plus tau. Okay. Now find out what is the right of formula. It is integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Write the function. What is the function here? Write the function and probability density function dA. Okay. What is the probability density function is A, no? So the random variable is A here. Okay. So what is that here? T plus tau are the constant. Now what are the limits? The limits are 0 to 2. Okay. A square. FA of A. FA of A value is 1 by 2 is FA of A D. Okay. So it is T plus tau by 2. Okay. So it is T cube by 3. Substitute the limits 0, 2. Okay. So we got T plus tau. So 3 cube 8. So 4 by 3. So this is your Rxx of tau. Okay. Now if you observe your Rxx of tau, Rxx of tau is 4t t plus tau by 3 we got. Okay. So it is function of t and it is not equal to constant. Okay. So these two are not satisfying these two conditions. Okay. So since it is not satisfying these two conditions, x of t is not, it is not wide sense stationary random process. Okay.